this is Lindy from Love Create Celebrate, and today I'm joining the DIY Mummies DIY and Decor Challenge, which is all about organization. I'm taking these 5 items I'm showing you, some little houses, a bamboo tray, a bamboo Kleenex box, a toy unicorn, and a little wire basket, and I'm going to DIY them into some beautiful new organization pieces. Each one of these simple dollar store projects starts with spray paint. I'll link to all the colors I'm using in the description below, but I'm using a gloss black for the houses as well as some brackets and the Kleenex box. I'm using caramel latte for that wire bin. I'm using a gloss white for the tray. And because the unicorn is made out of a rubbery material, I'm going to use a white primer first and then champagne bronze on top. All of the pieces I painted needed a few coats of spray paint, but the unicorn is the only one that I used a primer on, so I did a couple coats of primer first before I added the champagne bronze color. Both the unicorn and the tray are going to be some jewelry organizers for me. Unicorns are so popular, and I thought it'd be a really fun way to show off some of my bracelets or watches. So I'm painting that one champagne bronze, and then the tray is just going to be a clean white to display all my jewelry. It probably took 2 or 3 coats to get everything coated nicely, so I just popped in and out of the garage a couple times during the day. I don't have a video of me painting the wire basket, but this guy's going to be used to collect mail at my front door, and I'm loving the new caramel color. The final 2 projects are both being painted black. One is a Kleenex box cover, which is, well, it's going to be a Kleenex box cover, but it's prettier than what we usually have. And the little houses are going to be turned into bookends. So I also found some L-shaped brackets at the hardware store, and I'm painting those black as well. I wanted these cute little houses to become bookends, and since they have 0 weight to them, I had to add my own brackets. Once the houses and the brackets were both dry, I added some construction adhesive to the back of each of the brackets. The reason I used this instead of nails is because I just didn't want the look of nails or screws going through the houses. I wanted them to look nice and clean, and I thought this glue, which I'll link to in the description, would be strong enough to stay together with the weight of the books on top. So once the glue was on the bracket, I used my finger to smooth it down. Please wear gloves, this stuff is very, very sticky. And then I attached the bracket to the side of my house. When I was ready, I wiped away any excess glue that I didn't want there, and then I clamped it in place, making sure that the house and the bracket were flat. So here's how the projects turned out. My Costco-sized Kleenex boxes actually didn't fit inside of this bamboo box, which I didn't check out of time. So what I did is just took the Kleenex out of the box, piled it underneath, and that seemed to work perfectly. house bookends turned out exactly how I envisioned them. I love them, and I don't have a pretty shelf to put them on yet, but I will in my near future, so stay tuned for that. Here's how that really quick and easy mail basket looks in our entry. I love the new color. It goes perfectly in there. And then there's my 2 jewelry holders, which I love. I'm a little worried about how the unicorn will stand up to the wear and tear with the material underneath, but I think both projects looked amazing. If you liked these projects, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. For more great DIYs and tutorials, visit lovecreatecelebrate.com.